the times. Dear friends, this is booking a reservation office, Sambalpur Road. Oh sorry, it is not this was a booking and reservation office of Sambalpur Road stations. A 125 years old Sambalpur Road Phatak stations has been demolished. The demolish procedure has been started on 26 September. You see, this is the conditions. Right now one train has been passes very speedily, that has been passes, and this is Phatak station, you see. Thank you, Honorable Prime Ministers, Modi sir, and our local MLA and MP for their outstanding work. It is really shame for we people that we allow the railway authority to whip out and close down the stations, the historical stations of Sambalpur during the time of Sambalpur Bengal Nagpur stations. The first train was started before 125 years up to Jharsuguda, and later it has been extended. You see, it is really painful to cover these programs because the railway authority has given explanation that Sambalpur city having two numbers of platforms. One is Sambalpur city and Sambalpur, so there is no need of this station further. It was the calculations, wrong calculations of railway authorities and the weak representations of our representatives, which we are now continuing here in Sambalpur as MLA and MP. This station has been the railway authority dare to close and stop these particular stations. You see, dear friends, Sambalpur Phatak station, not only oldest one, it was in the heart of Sambalpur city, and the oldest Sambalpur city purely depend on this particular station. They all were depending on the stations, but railway authorities has ignored the rightfully legitimate demands of Sambalpur people and closed down these stations by assigning that the another stations of Sambalpur is just within the radius of 3 kilometers. So dear friends, this is nothing but a torture for the people of Sambalpur, and it is a distinct between the people of Sambalpur and other people. We are very sorry to show these programs. The railway authority assigning that they are provided. They have already provided a road to Phatak to Khetrajpur. It is not sufficient enough. This might be given a different shape, but it is not done. Many peoples of this area agitated, but due to the poor representations, inactive leadership, and priority of the party interest, our representatives, they remain silent, and these stations already been demolished. The order given, and from 26 October it has been the procedure of demolition started. You see, railway Mayor Railway Authority assigning many regions, but in no circumstances this has been accepted, and the people of Sambalpur must give the answer in the year of 2024 in their secret ballot. We inform the Honorable Prime Minister such type of nepotisms and partialities basing on the geographical boundaries. Soon the real characteristic of present central governments. Many times the state governments also urge the central governments not to close down these particular stations, but at last it has been closed with very mourn feelings. We close down the program. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.